To remove the headlight, we first have to remove the grille. And to remove the grille, we have to remove this shroud cover here, which is, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kind of like a fastener, like a plastic fastener, and it has teeth that is made of plastic. And the best way to remove this is just to wiggle it back and forth or side to side, and while you're pulling it up a little bit, don't pull it up too quick, otherwise you're gonna rip it off. But if you just kind of grab it and pull it off while having that side to side motion, you can remove it pretty quickly. Okay, now that we got the shroud removed, what you need to do is remove 4 bolts to remove the grille. There's 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so after you remove these, the bolts, what you want to do is loosen the grille or take off the grille. And the top part here is already loose, as you can see, but there are clips here. There's like a speed clip right here, which is like a quick grabbing clip you can just punch out. But there are many bottom clips here. Like, I think there's about 4 or 5 of them here all along the bottom. And what you need to do is to push it from the bottom. So you would want to take your hand and then just put your hand all the way to the bottom of the grille, and you would want to push it out. It's kind of hard, but let me use my right hand. There you go. And once you get it out, you can see what I'm talking about right here. These are the clips that I was trying to show you right here. And then the speed clip is this one right here, the one that is in the middle, that is holding the grill. And there's something similar on this side also. That's the clip right there, and then the bottom clip is right here. Okay, now that we have that removed, the next thing we want to do is remove one bolt right here and another bolt right here. And let me get a better camera angle so you can see. So one bolt is right here and the other bolt is right here. This one right here also secures the height adjustment, so make sure that the bottom part does not move as you're unscrewing this bolt right here. So go ahead and unbolt these two. There's one more bolt, well, not bolt, actually kind of like a clip behind the headlight itself that you have to get from the wheel well from the other side. I'll show you that later. Okay, the other bracket, or kind of like a holder that you have to remove or slide, I think you slide it up, yeah, that's right, you have to slide up, is underneath here behind the wheel well. So this is the driver wheel, and if you look under here, there is this compartment here. It's kind of hard to see. There's this thing right here, and it has this pin. So this is a I don't know what you call this thing, but anyway, it's a two-piece thing. There's a pin in the middle. You have to get the pin out. Once you get the pin out, the outer part can easily be removed. So I'm going to be using a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to take the pin out and then remove the whole thing. Then this cover can be peeled back where my hand can go in there, and it's almost impossible to video the inside, but I'll try. to show you what is that bracket that needs to be pushed up in order for the headlight to be loose so that you can remove it. Okay, so I got the cover up and let's take a peek inside it. Okay, so that white tab right there, that's the one that you need to grab from the bottom and then push it up. It will unlatch the kind of like a piece of plastic that is protruding right there. It'll unlatch that. So I'm gonna reach in, try to grab it from the bottom. I don't know if you can see, and I'm just gonna push it up. See, there you go. So now when it's pushed up, it looks like that, and the headlight now is loose. Be careful to make sure that the headlight doesn't pop out. The harness should still be attached to it, so it should be okay. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is just swing the headlight this way, kind of like a door. So the hinge, there's a ball hinge right here on this side. So what you want to do is grab it from this side, from the left, and then hinge it over and then pull it out that way. Let me show you what the hinge looks like. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a hinge right here. That is the ball hinge. And once you get that up, what you want to do is go ahead and unclip the harness. There's only one harness here. Okay, so this is the ball bearing that I was talking about, and the bracket at the back of the wheel well that we were trying to slide up and down is holding this particular piece right here. Okay, so now that we got the headlight out, what we want to do is unscrew. These are, I think, 8mm. Let me get the actual hex screws. I have already removed these a couple days ago, but usually there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws here that needs to be removed. Like I got some strip screw there. Alright, so as you can see, there's two lights inside here. This is for the projector right here, this green one. This is the 9012, and then this is the 9005 light bulb. So we're gonna replace them both and test them out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.